Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to search or select records in order, either ascending or descending. First select table student. Here I just want to select the ID, not by 1 2 3. The serial will be 10, then 8, then 7, then 6 5 3 2 1. That's way. Select all from table student. Order by ID. That means that will show the record by the order of ID from lower to upper. That means in ascending order. Go, you can see first ID is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. That's way print or show all the records. Now I want to search by that. The first ID will be 10, then 8, then 7, then 6. In this manner the records will be shown. Here the ID will be 10, here will be 8, then 7, then 6. That means in descending order. That means upper to lower. Order by ID, you have to select this DESC, descending, DESC constraint. So click on go. You can see first ID is 10, then 8, then 7, then 5 4. Now I want to select the records by name, order by name, and that will be ascending. Descending manner. Click on go. You can see first name is Surya, that means S, and then U, then R, and then the name of the second record is S, then U, then N, because R is the position of R is greater than N. The position of N is here P. The position of P in alphabet is lower than S. That's why here the records have been shown. You can see order by name and order is descending. Here ASC, that means order by ID ascending. That is order default by default you don't mention this, but if you want to practice, so I just want to show you. Select word from student order by ID ascending. That means lower ID to upper, lower value to upper value. Click on go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's why the record has have been shown. Order by name ascending. That will be ordered by name ascending. That means lowercase to uppercase. Click on go. Here first is Abdul Malik. A then B, and the next is Adam. A then D. Here B is lower position than D, and then A and first letter is H, then K, then M. You can see that M has been matched, so first M, then A. Here M, A, and third alphabet is L. Malik, M-A-L, and here third character is T. T is lower, greater, T's position is upper than L. So Malik has been shown before Matt, then Patrick, Sundar. That's why. Thank you, everyone.